Melissa.
And I'm Lisa.
We're realtors in the Shenandoah Valley.
We love where we live and we can't wait to show you.
Welcome to the channel.
Yeah, but in the mornings I enjoy a full-bodied, strong cigar. And as the day goes on, I like a milder, lighter smoke, which is pretty much the opposite of everybody else. Most people, they like the lighter ones first and then work their way up. But I've been around for a while, so I like the fuller body first thing in the morning.
Interesting.
Right. Well, let's go look at some cigars.
Sounds great.
So just because these are the aromatic. Yeah, these are the aromatic cigars we're carrying right now. Those are what you might call a flavored cigar, like your rum, cherry, vanilla, honey type of cigars.
Are they big sellers, the flavors?
They tend to do pretty well.
Full disclosure, Acid Drew Estate is my favorite brand.
Well, we have a selection
Java is
for you.
actually like #1 for me. I don't know if you have Java, but
we do. We've got the Java in the coffee flavors down here, the Maduro, and then the latte, which is a kind of a coffee and cream flavor. Then we also have the Java Reds, and then of course the 2 different sizes. Usually we have a larger selection of those, but that's the
they had
the
me
way
at
it
Drew
works.
Estate.
Yeah. If you do like the acids, I'd recommend probably the 20th anniversary. It's a little fuller body than the normal acids. It's got a little more taste to it, a little more flavor. And you were talking about pairing. That might be a good one to try to pair with the brownies. Last Christmas we had the Añejo series from Arturo Fuente in, and we had 4 different varieties, vitolas, sizes of cigars, and it was 1 per person per day. I had gentlemen, the day after we put them out, he wanted to get the whole box, and I said, well, we can't do that. He said, why? What do you care? Because you're going to make your money. I'm kind of like, well, we have a fellowship here, and we want to make sure everybody gets a shot to try it. And he still walked away. He didn't quite understand
I like that though, because you do have people that come, regulars that come and enjoy the day or the evening, and having those available, not all gone at once, is a really nice. It's a nice way to do business in a small town.
You really do have a community here that come and they sit over there and they really truly enjoy the experience of being here.
I love summer when I'm outside and walking down the street and you've got those chairs out there and the waft of it. Just my grandfather was of course a big cigar and pipe smoker, and my dad was a pipe smoker, so that aroma just triggers memories. So
well, that's funny you say that. The 2 things I get a lot, people will walk in the door, I'll get up or stop what I'm doing, and they'll say, oh no, just sit down, just came in to smell. That's usually number 1. Number 2 is it reminds me of my grandfather. Get that all the time. And this is Stephen Santiago.
Hi, Stephen. Hi, Stephen. Lisa. It's nice to meet you.
I'm Melissa. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Yeah. Well, I look forward to see what you are going to put together.
Oh yeah, we'll see.
Can we buy those cigar, please?
Oh, you're thinking 2 of the more medium smokes. And women love aromatics, so I'm gonna go with that.
And then on this cut, due to the cap shape, I'll go ahead and give it a nice little V cut. Cuts a nice little V notch in the cap of the cigar. And let's see, we'll get this one. There we go. Got a nice little V cut there. And let's see, we'll try this guy and see if he's working today. Yeah, just kind of toasting it here, and see, this is an interesting cigar. Because see, it's got kind of a shaggy foot.
Yeah.
See how that goes? So that's a little different than most normal, most cigars that are straight cut across the end. Gets a little more tobacco into the air. It smells real nice. And you go around till you get a nice little gray ring around it.
Oh, it smells so good.
Mm-hmm. Sure does. Let's see, who's first?
You can go first.
You.
Oh, me first?
Yeah.
All right.
You first.
All right.
All right. There you go.
Thanks.
And then you can just take a little puff or two on there.
So you don't need to clip the other end or anything.
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
you missed that. I did that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Well,
Sorry
at
about
least
that.
Yeah,
I
that's
was
pretty
schooled
cool to
well.
watch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that tastes good. I like this one.
Nice.
We're glad.
Oh yeah, you like to hear
Smells good. Oh, yeah. Your turn.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Oh, I think we got you going.
Yep.
Oh, man, that's good.
Really nice.
Like to retire to the lounge
Yes,
area?
let's retire.
Yes.
Probably one of the better things about our store is the view.
Yes.
Because so many cigar stores nowadays are in a strip mall type of setting, and you know the only view you're really going to get is the parking lot, and it really reduces the I don't know, the ambiance of the store, and plus we get to judge parallel parking. That's the
I'll
best.
remember that if I'm
Yes.
ever parking out front of here. I'm just gonna move on down the road a little bit so they don't laugh at me.
I've actually had regular customers who come in that never park here because they know
Everybody's watching.
them while
Yeah.
they parallel park,
So
You should have cards with ratings that you can hold up or something.
like the Olympics.
Yes.
There you go.
I think my funniest one was
This is the perfect spot to come in, relax, smoke a cigar, bring our clients, write an offer, sign a contract.
I love that idea.
Yes.
I love that. And I
And
will bring the
I was
brownies.
gonna say, and you can bake the chocolate.
Yes.
That'd be awesome.
I love it because it's already celebratory. So
It
if
is.
somebody is closing on a house or they're in the process of signing because they're on that journey to buy the house,
Yes.
this is the perfect
This
place.
is it.
A lot more to take
oh,
home.
good.
All right.
Looks yummy.
They look great.
Stephen, if you want to get in on this,
Come
feel
on
free to
over.
bend.
Yeah.
You get this coffee though.
Smells
Okay.
wonderful. Ooh, I got the crunchy part too.
Yeah,
That's my favorite.
Good. Yeah, I've got corners in there and all kinds of stuff.
Is
Okay.
ready?
Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
What's the chunky in there?
There's some Ghirardelli chocolate chips in there.
Can't go wrong.
Do you think that works well?
Oh yes.
Yeah?
Mhm.